एवरीवन, आई होप आप लोग बहुत अच्छे होंगे। एक बार मैं चेक कर लूँ कि हेलो हेलो एक बार मैं चेक कर लूँ कि आवाज़ वगैरह सही है कि नहीं। आज थोड़ा नहीं, बहुत ज़्यादा ही लेट हो गया हूँ मैं, मुझे पता है। सॉरी फॉर द लेट, मुझे पता है मैं लेट हो गया हूँ। चलिए कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, आज लाइव तो हम करेंगे ही। आज एक्चुअली स्लाइड्स पे बन नहीं पाई, तो मुझे आज पीडीएफ में ही करवाना पड़ रहा है। चलिए समय नहीं गवा के हम शुरू करेंगे आज का जो भी हमारा सेशन है। तो वेलकम टू माय चैनल गाइस, A to Z नॉलेज कॉर्नर। हम एवरीडे नीट के 25 बायोलॉजी क्वेश्चंस करते हैं, तो शुरू करेंगे विदाउट वेस्टिंग द टाइम। चलिए, तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है जेनेटिक्स एंड मॉलिक्यूलर बायोलॉजी से। Which of the following RNA polymerase is responsible for the transcription of tRNA, 5S RNA and snRNA in eukaryotic cell? ठीक है, साउंड वगैरह सही है, साउंड वगैरह सही है। ऑप्शन है RNA polymerase 1, RNA polymerase 2, RNA polymerase 3 and RNA polymerase 4। चलिए, इसका सही आंसर होगा RNA polymerase 3 ट्रांसक्राइब्स tRNA, 5S RNA और rRNA। ठीक है, इसका RNA polymerase 1 क्या करता है, एक्सक्लूसिवली ट्रांसक्राइब हेवी rRNAs। polymerase 2 क्या करता है, ट्रांसक्राइब प्रोटीन कोडिंग HNRNA। RNA polymerase 3 क्या करता है, हैंडल्स ट्रांसपोर्ट RNA एंड स्मॉलर स्ट्रक्चर RNAs। ठीक है गाइज, आसपास थोड़ा सा साउंड वगैरह आ रही है तो माफ़ कीजिएगा, वो फैमिली। चलिए कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। चलिए हम क्वेश्चन पे ध्यान देते हैं। Cell cycle and division. During which stage of prophase 1 of meiosis do the process of synapses and crossing over occurs respectively? Options are zygote and pachytene and zygote, leptotene and zygote, or zygote and diplotene. Jaldi guys, answer it in the chat box. स्लाइड्स में आज बन नहीं पाई, इसलिए मुझे आज पीडीएफ में ही करवाना पड़ रहा है, और थोड़ा सा मैं बाहर गया था इसलिए थोड़ा सा। चलिए, इसके आंसर है म्योटिक प्रोफेज 1, दैट इज़ ऑप्शन। इसका आंसर होगा जाइगोटिन एंड पैकाइटिन। प्रोफेज 1 स्टेजेस, जाइगोटिन होमोलोगस पेयरिंग फॉर्म सिनेप्टोमल कॉम्प्लेक्स। एक सेकेंड में zygote homologous pairing forms synaptomal complexes. Pachytene recombinase enzymes drives the crossing over। ठीक है, क्रॉसिंग ओवर और इवेंट। डिप्लोटीन क्या करता है, अरे यार क्या आ जा रही है सब। डिप्लोटीन कॉम्प्लेक्सेस डिजॉल्व लिविंग विजिबल एक्स सेप्ट काइस्माटा। ठीक है, चलिए अब आता है क्वेश्चन नंबर 3। ह्यूमन फिजियोलॉजी रेस्पिरेशन का ये क्वेश्चन है गाइस। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सेट्स ऑफ फिजियोलॉजिकल फैक्टर कॉजेज ए राइटवर्ड शिफ्ट ऑफ द ऑक्सीजन हेमोग्लोबिन डिसोसिएशन कर्व? ऑप्शंस है हाई पीएच एंड लो टेम्परेचर, लो PCO2 एंड हाई PO2, हाई PCO2 हाई टेम्परेचर एंड लो pH, एंड लो 2,3-DPG कंसंट्रेशन एंड हाई pH। चलिए आंसर कीजिएगा। ऑप्शंस होगा, आपका आंसर होगा ऑब्वियसली C, that is high PCO2 and high temperature and low pH. चलिए प्लांट फिजियोलॉजी का ऑप्शन क्वेश्चन है, फोटोसिंथेसिस है. In non-cyclic photophosphorylation, that is Z scheme, what is the correct sequence of electron transfer? ऑप्शन है H2O, फिर PH2, फिर प्लास्टोक्विनोन, फिर साइटोक्रोम B6F, फिर प्लास्टोसाइनिन, फिर PS1, फिर NADP, PS1, फिर PS2, फिर H2O, फिर NADP, then H2O, PS1, cytochrome B6F, and PS2 NADP plus PS1 PC, cytochrome B6F, PS2 and H2O. चलिए इसका आंसर देखेंगे. ऑब्वियसली इसका आंसर होगा दैट इज़ ये वाला. ठीक है, नॉन साइक्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रांसपोर्ट का आंसर होगा आपका ये. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. बायोटेक्नोलॉजी प्रिंसिपल सा ये क्वेश्चन है. द रिस्ट्रिक्शन एंडोन्यूक्लियस इको R1 टारगेट्स द क्लिप्स DNA at which of the following specific palindromic sequences? Answer it guys on the chat box. A, B, C, D. Answer it guys. Hello Sirat, how are you? How's your preparation going? Sorry for the late live. Sorry for the late. Actually I was in meeting. After meeting I'm just start the live. Okay, let's see the answer. Answer is B, not D. Sirat, answer is D, that is target sequence for eco R1. Okay, let's see the enzyme target profiles explanation. Enzyme recognize a specific pattern to make clean, sticky or blunt ends. Palindromic match both stand and identically when reading direction 5 stand to 3 stand is kept constant. Okay. Next, question number 6. Sexual reproduction in plants. What are the product of double fertilization in angiosperm and what are their respective ploidy level? Option is zygote, endosperm, zygote, endosperm, zygote and endosperm, and synergies and antipodal cell. Answer it, Sirat. What are the product of double fertilization in angiosperm? Double fertilization. Just see this line, double fertilization in angiosperm. What are their respective ploidy level? Options: zygote, endosperm, zygote 3n, endosperm 2n, zygote 2n, endosperm 3n, and okay, let's answer is C. Julie Tame is answer C. The ploidy level of endosperm is 3n and zygote is 2n. Zygote never have a ploidy level of 3n. Obviously endosperm has 3n. The correct answer is C. Okay. Syngamy, haploid male gamete fuses with haploid egg to form diploid zygote, that is 2n. Triple fusion, that is PEN. Primary endosperm, primary 3n. Okay, the answer is C. Okay, let's question number 7. Ecology and environment. According to Gauss competitive exclusion principle, what happens when two closely related species compete for the same limiting resources? Option: both both species coexist in equal density. Competitively inferior species is eventually eliminated. They form an obligate mutual association. Both species quickly after their structural morphology. Answer it, guys. According to Gauss competitive exclusion principle, what happens when two closely related species compete for the same limiting resources? Answer it, guys. Answer is B. Yes, Julie Tame, you are right. B. Comparatively inferior species is eventually eliminated. I don't think so. That is explanation is. You need any explanation? Okay. Now, question number 8. Evolution and diversity. The flippers of penguins and dolphins are classical structural example of which evolutionary phenomena? Homologous organs showing divergent evolution, analogous organ showing convergent evolution, homologous organ showing convergent evolution, or vestigial organ. Answer it, guys, on the chat box. Which option is correct for this question? Okay, the answer is B. Analogous organ is showing convergent evolution. I have a trick, guys. That is H. H D A C. Analogous convergent or homologous divergent. This is my trick. You can. This is very good trick to analyze the homologous, which is homologous and which is analogous. H D. H for homologous and D for divergent. A for analogous or C for convergent. Okay. Question number 9 from human reproduction. Select the correct chronological sequence of cell types formed during spermatogenesis including ploidy. Options: spermatogonia, primary, secondary, and spermatid. Option it, guys. Answer it, guys. Spermatogonia, primary primary spermatocyte, secondary spermatocyte, and spermatid. Spermatid, spermatocyte, spermatogonia, primary spermatocyte, secondary spermatocyte, and spermatid. Answer it, guys, without wasting of life. Okay. Answer is spermatogenesis pathway. No, Julie. Answer is A. Spermatogonia, then primary spermatocyte, then secondary spermatocyte, and spermatid. This is the pathway of spermatogenesis. Question number 10 from Biomolecules. The inhibition of succinate dehydrogenase by malonate is a classical example of which regulatory mechanism? I said that there is a tricky question and very easy question from NEET pattern. Just you need to recognize the answer and recognize the question. All questions from the NCERT line by line. Okay. If anyone not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel, guys. Yes, and answer is B. And Julie, you are right. Competitive inhibition, malonate competes directly. Question number 11, plant kingdom. In bryophytes, the dominant photosynthetic phase is blank, while in pteridophyte it is blank. That is option A, sporozoite, gametophyte, sporozoite, sporophyte, gametophyte, or prothallus and protonema. Answer it, guys, in the chat box. Sirat, are you there? Okay. Julie, you subscribe my channel or not? Yes, answer is B. B is the correct answer. Julie, you are right. Gametophyte and sporophyte. Bryophyte haploid gametophyte is the independent, dominant and photosynthetic body. Pteridophyte, the diploid sporophyte, is the dominant, independent vascular stage. Okay, question number 12. Animal kingdom. The water canal system is characteristic feature of dash, whereas a water vascular system found in dash. देखिए गाइस, यहाँ दो फाइलम को एक जगह का क्वेश्चन बना के दे दिया है, ठीक है। अब बताइए इसका आंसर। ऑप्शन इज सिलेंट्रेटा, इकाइनोडर्माटा, पॉरीफेरा, इकाइनोडर्माटा, इकाइनोडर्माटा, पॉरीफेरा, पॉरीफेरा मोलस्का। Okay, Julie, thank you for subscribing my channel. Tell me how's the questions. Okay, answer is B. Julie, you are right. B is the correct answer. Water canal system has porifera and water vascular system have echinodermata. Porifera have water canal system and echinodermata have water vascular system. Okay, question number 13 from cell biology. Which of the following cellular organelle is not considered a functional part of the endomembrane system? Endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, lysosome, peroxisome and mitochondria. This is a very simple question and very easy question. The level of question is very easy. This is the most repeated question in NEET. Answer it, guys. Okay, answer is D. Julie, you are wrong. D is the correct answer. Peroxisome and mitochondria is the correct answer, because the system is defined by functional integration, not just membrane. Included structure is Golgi, lysosome, vacuole work in sequence, but mitochondria, chloroplast, and peroxisome operates independently. That's why they are not from endomembrane system. Okay. Okay. Question number 14 from Human Physiology. Excretion. The countercurrent mechanism in mammalian kidney relies on the structural proximity and flows between PCT and DCT, loop of Henle and vasa recta, glomerulus and Bowman's capsule, collecting duct and ureter. Option 8. This is option. Can answer it on the guys chat box. Hi Asad, how are you? Sorry for the late live. Actually, I was in meeting. Okay, correct answer is B. Loop of Henle and vasa recta. Opposing flow create a maintain a osmolarity gradient in the renal medulla, Henle's loop and vasa recta. Julie, answer is B, not VCT and DCT. Concentrating urine is a function of loops of Henle and vasa recta. Question number 15. Endocrine system. Which of the following classes of hormone bypasses membrane bound receptor to interact directly with intracellular receptor? Intracellular. Option: peptide hormone, steroid hormones, anhydrothyronine, amino acid derivatives, pituitary hormone. Okay, no issue, no issue. Answer is B. Julie, answer is B. Steroid hormones and thyroidothyronines. Question number 16. Neural control. During nerve impulse conduction, which ion channel's rapid opening leads to membrane depolarization? Option: voltage gated potassium channel, voltage gated sodium channels, potassium leakage channels, sodium potassium active ATPase pump. Answer it. Answer it, guys, quickly. Answer it quickly, guys. I have another meeting. Actually, I am planning some big for your NEET 2027 preparation. Something big is big coming on this channel for NEET 2027. Stay tuned. At first, I have to create a Telegram channel for you all, guys, and you have to. I'm requesting you to please join it. After the completion of the group, I will give the channel channel link Okay, group link. Okay, answer is B. Yes, Julie and Asad, you are right. Voltage gated sodium channel. Question number 17, anatomy of flowering plants. Which of the following description is structurally and physiologically correct regarding heartwood? Heartwood. There's two type of wood, that is sapwood and heartwood. It is peripheral, light colored and conduct water actively. Its central dark contain organic deposit and dead. It is highly susceptible to microbial and insect attack. Answer it on the chat box, guys. Okay, Asad, no issue. The answer is central dark filled with deposit. Heartwood duramen filled with tannins, resins and soils, dead and non-functional for transport. It provides structural support. Sapwood is active, peripheral and light in color. Yes, Julie, you are right. C is the correct answer. Yes, Asad, you are right. C is the correct answer. Okay, question number 18, molecular basis of inheritance. Very hard chapter for NEET aspirant for some people. Otherwise, it's a good chapter. Very interesting and knowledgeable chapter in NCERT. Okay. In the lac operant model, the inducer lactose or allolactose triggers transcription by directly binding to option is promoter gene, operator gene, repressor protein, structural gene, that is lac G. Answer it, guys. Julie, answer it. Let's see what will be the answer. Okay, answer is C. Yes, Julie, you are right. Correct answer is repressor protein. Okay, question number 19. Microbes in human welfare. What are the biological source organism for cyclosporin A and statins respectively? Monascus purpureus and Trichoderma polysporum and Monascus purpureus, Aspergillus niger and Saccharomyces cerevisiae, or Acetobacter aceti and Clostridium botanicum. Answer it in the chat box, guys. I want your answer in the chat box. Fast, quick. Answer is B. Trichoderma polysporum and Monascus purpureus. Okay. Question number 20. Ecology and biodiversity. In the species area formula, log S is equal to log C plus Z log A. What does Z represent and what is its value for large continents? Option A, y intercepts 0.1 to 0.2, slope of the line regression coefficient 0.6 to 1.2, species richness 1.2 to 2.0, and D, area constant 0.5 to 0.8. Answer it on the chat box. Let's see the answer, guys. Answer is B. Julie, answer is B, that is slope regression coefficient 0.6 to 1.2. Represent Z slope represent how quickly a species are added as study area increase. Scale effect, small region have Z of 0.1 to 0.2, large continents show a much steeper slope of 0.6 to 1.2. Okay, question number 21, photosynthesis from C4 plants. In C4 plant, initial carbon dioxide fixation and the Calvin cycle occurs in which cells respectively? Option: bundle sheath and mesophyll cell and bundle sheath cell, epidermal and mesophyll cell, bundle sheath and epidermal cells. Answer it, guys. Yes, answer is B. Julie, answer is B. Just Julie, concentrate on the question. B is the correct answer. Mesophyll and bundle sheath cells. Option B is the correct option. Mesophyll PEP carboxylase fixes CO2 into a carbon acid. OAA Rubisco is absent here. Bundle sheath cell CO2 is released from 4 carbon acids supplying Rubisco for the Calvin cycle. Okay. Question number 22. Structure organization. Ciliated epithelium is primarily adapted for transport and is present in the inner lining of ciliated epithelium. C. This is ciliated epithelium is primarily adapted for transport of inner lining of fallopian tubes and bronchioles, small intestine and stomach, PCT or salivary duct and pancreatic duct. Answer it, guys. Answer is fallopian tubes and bronchioles is the correct answer. Question number 23. Morphology of flowering plants. The standard wings and keel are a structural part of a corolla displaying which estivation type? Valvate estivation, twisted estivation, vexillary estivation, imbricate estivation. Answer it in the chat box. Julie, answer it. Asad, answer it. Let's see the answer. Yes, C is the correct answer, Julie. You are right. Vexillary is the correct answer. Question number 24. Breathing and exchange of gases. Vital capacity, that is VC, of human lungs is mathematically represented by which formula? TV plus IRB, TV plus IRB plus RB, ERB plus RB, TB plus RB. Answer is A, TB plus IRB plus ERB. Yes, Julie, you are right, and Asad, you are right. Good job, guys. A is the right answer. Okay, everyone, this is question number 25. Last question of the session, but not least. According to the sliding filament theory, muscle contraction is initiated when calcium ion bind to. Option is tropomyosin, troponin, myosin head and F actin backbone. Answer it, guys. Let's see the answer, guys. Answer is B. Julie, answer is B. That is troponin. Calcium binds to the troponin C subunit. Calcium release unmask target binding sites on thin filament. Unmasking calcium binding shift to troponin tropomyosin complex. Bridge action myosin heads bind the newly exposed active sites on actin to initiate pooling. Okay, everyone. These are 25 questions of NEET biology. If how's the questions? Question are tough, medium, or easy? Tell me about the questions. I need your feedback about these questions. Or you need any other discussion in another topics? Please tell me about your feedbacks. Tell me about everything. How's the question, or tell me about anything is wrong, or Julie, are you okay with Hindi? Okay, you need sectional. How about the live session? Okay. क्वेश्चंस वगैरह कैसी थी? अगर किसी चीज़ में अगर और दिक्कत आई है वो भी मुझे बताइए, तो उसको मैं ठीक करने की कोशिश करूँगा। एक्सप्लेनेशन में या कहीं भी अगर कोई भी दिक्कत हो उसे आप बताइए। मैं चाहता हूँ इसे ठीक करना, कि जितना हम अपनी गलतियों पे काम करेंगे हम और भी अच्छे होते जाएंगे उस पर। ठीक है, अगर कहीं भी कुछ दिक्कत लगे वो बताइएगा। हाँ हाँ हाँ, बॉटनी में कराऊंगा। बॉटनी का एक सेट कराऊंगा, और जूलॉजी का करवाऊंगा अलग से। मैं ह्यूमन फिजियोलॉजी का जितना भी PYQs आया है लास्ट ईयर में, एक्चुअली मैं सोच रहा था 20 इयर्स का मैं PYQs कराऊँ। ठीक है, 20 इयर्स का PYQs करवा दूंगा तो 50 क्वेश्चन मैं उठा के लाऊंगा, मतलब ठीक है। अरे एक्चुअली बात यह है कि आज थोड़ा सा मीटिंग था, तो मैं स्लाइड्स बना नहीं पाया, तो PDF में ही मैं आज इसे स्टार्ट किया हूँ। और मैं एक टेलीग्राम चैनल भी बना रहा हूँ बहुत जल्द। एक्चुअली मुझे समय नहीं मिल पा रहा है। ठीक है, तो मैं जल्दी से टेलीग्राम चैनल बनाऊँगा, उसमें मैं अपडेट्स वगैरह दूंगा, PDF वगैरह उसी में शेयर करूँगा। वैसे आपने नीट दिया है क्या, कि फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट है 2027? ओके, चलिए कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। नीट 2027 ताबड़तोड़ मदद करते हैं हम। और गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज में मैं आपको देखना चाहता हूँ। कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, हम बढ़िया से तैयारी करेंगे। A to Z जो भी ज़रूरत हो आप मुझे बताइए, कहाँ कहाँ आपको हेल्प लगेगी। और मैं एक डिस्कशन चैनल तो मैं क्रिएट करूँगा ही नीट रिगार्डिंग, ठीक है। एक मैं क्विज वगैरह का एक चैनल बनाता हूँ, ठीक है। उसमें हरदम क्विज वगैरह चलती रहेगी, आपको फ़ायदा होगा। चलो ठीक है, ज़्यादा समय वेस्ट नहीं करते हैं। और कोई भी अगर आपको सजेशन वगैरह देना हो आप दे सकती हैं। ओके गाइस, लाइव अच्छी लगी तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा और शेयर कीजिएगा गाइस, क्योंकि अगर आप मुझे सपोर्ट करेंगे तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगेगा। और आप लोग लाइव अटेंड करते हैं, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है। ओके एवरीवन, पढ़ाई कीजिए ठीक से, ध्यान से पढ़ाई कीजिए। देख ही रहे हैं क्या हाल हो रहा है नीट का, तो बढ़िया से प्रिपरेशन कीजिए। कोई भी दिक्कत हो मैं ज़रूर हेल्प करूँगा, बस एक सीट ले लीजिए आप गवर्नमेंट का, ठीक है। चलिए आज कल के लिए इतना ही, फिर हम कल मिलेंगे। 8:30 बजे का मैं सेशन रखता हूँ डेली, आज थोड़ा लेट हो गया। कल मैं 8:30 बजे आने की ज़रूर कोशिश करूँगा। और कुछ मैं बिग प्लान कर रहा हूँ तो थोड़ा सा लेट हो गया, ठीक है। चलिए गाइस, टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करते हैं, आज अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। थैंक यू एवरीवन, थैंक यू एवरीवन फॉर ज्वाइनिंग माय